Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Swift Elite 645 2020 model. What a fantastically well specced twin axle caravan with a transverse island bed and rear bathroom. So to have a good look at this particular model, the Elite range being a bespoke range to us here at Grantham with that wonderful Elite chrome logo on the front. You've got a carbon fibre front locker box, a handle for the jockey wheel and ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow for you. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, side access hatch to underneath the front couches, an external entertainment pod with triple arm TV bracket inside, and also TV points in there as well should you wish to pop a TV into your awning, 230-volt socket. And you've also got a rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed. As we step inside the caravan, you've got an illuminated diamond effect splashback, omnivent in the kitchen area, your combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, pan storage underneath and ample storage throughout the kitchen area with a side worktop extension. Wonderful finish on the stainless steel sink. But one of the other real key features in this particular caravan is the complete bespoke fabric scheme that we've hand selected here at Grantham that you see along these beautiful couches and wonderful scatter cushions. PIR sensor for the alarm down the bottom left with short pull-out chest table at the front, USB ports and also a 240-volt socket. You've got your Swift command panel with built-in mobile capability and also the ability to download the Swift command app to be able to control your caravan and monitor exactly what's happening. Your Aldi wet central heating throughout this caravan, giving an all-round constant heat and warmth. Television point located here just above further storage. And then you have a wonderful tall fridge freezer which opens on both sides with the freezer compartment there and plenty of storage throughout and further storage above the fridge freezer. Very large wardrobe as we step into the bedroom area with cabinet also underneath. Second television point located on this side just there by the vanity mirror with further storage again underneath. Transverse island bed with storage above and a medium-sized Hecky light as we move comfortably through to the bathroom area and a further cabinet on the opposite side of the bed. A very, very spacious individual shower cubicle. You've got your rectangular sink with storage underneath and illuminated washroom mirror. The 2 lay fixings for the bike rack on the back of this particular model for all the Swifts with further storage located above the Thetford toilet. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding of what the Elite 645 2020 has to offer. I do hope you enjoyed the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions about this particular model, please feel free to get in contact with us and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.